particle starts from origin at t is equal to 0 seconds. So you have r naught to be 0 and for t is equal to 0 second. Actually, that's what actually r naught means. But anyways, with the velocity of, so velocity is given 5 I cap meter per second. And it moves along the xy plane with a constant acceleration of, so acceleration is also given as a function of, no, 3 I cap plus 2 j cap. It's a constant value. What is the x component of the particle at the instant? It's a y component when its x component is 84. Oh, it's pretty nice question. The question is, actually let me do this. For the x coordinate to be 84 meters, y coordinate is how much? That's the part A question. What is the speed of the particle at that time? And its speed is equal to how much? And now the working. Okay. So first thing is we need to get an expression for your correct position vector. So r is equal to r naught plus v naught t plus half of a t square. So this is the 0. And so we have v naught as 5 t I cap. Again, I'm doing the math so that we don't waste time. And we have 3 by 2 I cap. Actually, t square, I could have written that. Anyways, this is 1 j cap, entire thing by t square. This is a general expression. So a bit of rearrangement. So r is equal to 5t plus 3 by 2 t square. This is your I cap plus j cap is only one term, right? So t square jk. Okay, so this is all that we need to know. And now we can figure out for x coordinate. So when the particle is at 84 unit, y is equal to how much? What can I do now? What can I do? So this is the scenario, right? 84. So now what can I do? Again, guys, it goes back to our initial conversation, the chapter's main funda. The key thing is that all of the complex path can be understood as part by part. So this is your x and this is your y. So I can just equate it, as simple as that. So we have 5t plus 3 by 2 t square is equal to 84. Okay, then simplify this and you'll get the answer. Plus 10t minus 168 is equal to 0. So this you need to factorize and all of that. So t will be equal to some set of values. Okay, I'll just find it out. I'm not going to do the factorization over here. Apparently t is equal to 6 seconds and minus 28 by 3 seconds. Obviously this can't be negative. So ignoring can't be negative. Ignore. So in the past it is so, it can be this value that the particle before origin, it can happen. But anyways, we're not looking at that. We are looking at t is equal to 6 seconds. Right? So you have your y coordinate, okay, for x is equal to 84 unit will be this. So 6 square. That's it, 6 square. That is 36. So the particle will be at 84, 36. At t is equal to 6 second, particle is at 84, 36. That's the position that the particle will be at. That's it. What is the y done? What is the speed of the particle? Speed. Speed would be, acceleration is that. Okay, now we need to do a bit more math. Do I have space? I do. So the velocity as a function of time would look something like this into t. So v naught is how much, guys? V naught is 5 I cap plus acceleration is 3 I cap plus 2 j cap. 3 I cap plus 2 j cap times t. So a bit of rearranging, and we have 3 pi plus 3 t I cap plus, actually this I should be not writing, plus 2 t j cap. Okay. So we are looking at what is speed of the particle at that time. Oh, sorry, we need to figure out the time as well. 6 seconds. Oh, we know 6 seconds. So v of 6 is equal to 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 23 I cap plus 12 j cap. So the speed is square root of 23 square plus 12 square. So that will be your speed. So speed is equal to something by meter per second. I hope everything is in meter per second thingy. Yeah, correct. Okay, so good question. So we had to use common sense. Such questions as a whole, such question is derived from your 9th and 8th grade and 10th grade syllabus. Right, given x coordinate, find the y coordinate. Just that the math is different. Here you're using vectors, here using differentiation, integration, so on and so forth. If not, the funda is the same. So if not for any silly mistake, that would be the answer. If not, the structure is the same. If you've done some silly mistake, you can correct that and follow the same structure. Okay.